time.
What do you mean?
The experience was that amazing, huh?
Yeah, it was my first time.
Oh, an amazing first time, okay.
Huh?
So that means this guy's an animal, really.
No.
You're taking things out of context. Who are you, anyway?
Well, I'm Naneko, that's who. But you can call me Naneko, okay?
No.
I don't care!
I'm watching, you know.
Oh, you're the girl who was watching the house yesterday.
And this is Kaneko the kitten, it is!
How cute!
I don't think anybody asked.
So he's an animal, but he's sensitive, really? What a mystery!
I'm not a mystery! Go away, you brat!
That animal insulted Naneko right to her face, you know! He's mean, really! Ah!
Tomokazu?
Who, me? What did I do? You're kidding, right?
Oh, beautiful lady! Please rescue Naneko, okay?
Tomokazu.
She won you over, didn't she? She won you over, and all it took was a little flattery? Ugh.
That's not good.
Oh, man. If I'm late to school again... Ugh.
Tomokazu, we have to hurry.
Yeah. Wait!
That's him, the Transformer. Tomokazu, Mikuri.